Language is a fascinating tool, and one of the most interesting aspects of it is how we express contrast. Take the word, however, for instance. It's a staple in our vocabulary, but there are so many alternatives that can add flavor and nuance to our conversations and writing. Let's dive into some of these options. First up is having said that. This phrase is perfect when you want to acknowledge a point before presenting a contrasting idea. For example, you might say, "The weather has been unpredictable lately. Having said that, I still plan to go hiking this weekend." It gives a sense of balance, showing that while you recognize one side, you're ready to present another. Then we have alternatively. This is a great choice when you want to offer a different option or perspective. Imagine you're discussing travel plans. We could go to the beach. Alternatively, we could explore the mountains. It's a smooth transition that opens the door to new possibilities. Next is nevertheless. This word carries a bit more weight and can be used to emphasize resilience or determination. For instance, the project faced numerous setbacks. Nevertheless, we managed to meet our deadline. It's a powerful way to highlight that despite challenges, progress was made. Now, let's talk about on the flip side. This phrase has a casual tone and is often used in everyday conversation. You might say, "I love living in the city." On the flip side, it can be quite noisy. It's a fun way to present contrasting ideas without sounding too formal. In contrast is another effective option, especially in more formal contexts. It's straightforward and clear. For example, the northern region experiences harsh winters. In contrast, the southern region enjoys mild temperatures year-round. It's a great way to draw clear distinctions between two subjects. On the other hand, is similar to in contrast but feels a bit more conversational. You might say, "I enjoy reading fiction. On the other hand, my friend prefers nonfiction." It's a simple way to present differing viewpoints, making it relatable and easy to understand. Lastly, we have whereas. This word is often used in more formal writing but can also fit into casual conversation. For instance, "I prefer coffee in the morning, whereas my partner enjoys tea." It's a concise way to show differences between two subjects. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for, however, consider mixing it up with these alternatives. Each option brings its own flavor and can help you communicate more effectively. Whether you're writing an essay, giving a presentation, or just chatting with friends, these phrases can add depth to your dialogue. Embrace the variety in language. It makes communication so much more engaging.